Welcome everyone. We are in Goreme Open Air Museum in Cappadocia, and this whole area is a missionary school for the Orthodox Christians, Greek Orthodox mostly. So you can see all the rock settlements, and all of them are churches. Unfortunately, I will not be able to record inside of the churches because of the rules of ministry. And in here, to explain you about this situation, uh, these rooms or these caves in here, these are all dormitories. That one or that one, these are dormitories. That's for ladies, that's for men in here. So as you can see, they are just across of each other. They could talk to each other, they could cooperate with each other, but there was certain limits, as you imagine. And if I wanted to give you information about this place or Christianity in Cappadocia generally, as some of you might know, in the beginning of Christianity, it was all illegal in Roman Empire, and there was persecutions against Christians. That's why the Christians start to escape from Palestine and Israel area. Some of them escaped to Egypt, through there to Ethiopia. Some of them escaped to Iran, through there to Central Asia and India. And maybe you heard of it in the book of Marco Polo. He mentions about the Christians in Central Asia, and also one of the apostles, Saint Thomas, passes away in south of India in Chennai. And also some of them came through Syria and through the city of Antioch, which is also part of Cappadocia. They came to the southern coast of Turkey, and in Antioch, in ancient city of Antioch, there is one church that we call Saint Pierre Church. So that was the first place they used the name Christian for the first time. And except in the southern coast, in the last sections of the first century, they came to Cappadocia in second century, firstly appearing in Kayseri among the Jewish groups. Then they start to spread to the rural areas, and they start to hide in the valleys and canyons in here, because in Cappadocia there is thousands of them. And they just kept hiding until 4th century, until the time of Emperor Constantine. And then when he legalized Christianity, these people start to come out, they start to form regular villages and thousands of smaller and smaller, and some of them are bigger, monasteries. And the bishop of Kayseri, Saint Basil, he gave the idea to some monasteries to convert into missionary schools. And this one, the one I showed you before, I will show again. This is one of the largest examples of it, and they start to use this place as a missionary school as well. And very soon I will show you their kitchens and their dining tables, but unfortunately I will not be able to show the churches because of the rules of ministry. But if you Google Goreme Open Air Museum, you can spell Goreme with Goreme. As Goreme we pronounce it, Open Air Museum. You can find the paintings easily, and they are really nice and still looking alive, except lots of damages unfortunately. So if you are ready, let's continue to see the dining table and the kitchen with a tandoori oven. We are about to enter to the kitchen and dining table. As you can see, this is all dining table, totally carved down. You can still see the chisel and hammer prints, and you can see a small dog hiding in here. And possibly abbot or whoever is in charge of the monastery would sit in the corner. The others, the teachers and the students up to their ranks, would sit from starting from this point until the end. There is one more of this dining table in up there, but it's exactly the same. That's why I'm not showing it to you. And there is a smaller oven in here. The real kitchen is in the other room, but this is also a good example. Let's see the other room right now. This is the entrance of the kitchen, and there is our oven or tandoori oven. Right now it's filled with sand and mud and some stones, but originally this was a lot deeper than what it is today. And they put some firewood in there, they burned them, and they put some potteries inside. And inside there will be vegetables or lamb or chicken. So this section would be for wind to enter to make the fire stronger. And as you can see, there is some storages, and the top part, the ceiling, is a little bit darker, so it's because of the smoke. So this is one of the storages. As you can see, the corners, there was some sort of wooden closet in here, so they could open and close it. And this was the end of our video. I hope to see you in other videos. Now I have to go and wait for my group. I hope you enjoyed our video.